They give a little pinch.
Do they? Yeah, like that you mean, yeah.
And then they just lift straight out. Beautifully done.
1 down, 15
Yeah.
to go.
And that's nothing. I will never forget the poor student who had to take someone's clips out, who must have had between 40 and 50.
Oh my goodness.
On top of the clips was glue.
Yeah.
So they'd been clipped and glued. And the wound was very sore.
Yeah.
It was a time...
I had to take out about 40 the other day.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
oh my
someone's...
goodness. Right.
It was at a time when they couldn't get the right size clips, so the clips were smaller than the clip remover.
Oh dear.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Fortunately, it was a student who actually didn't think in some ways and wasn't phased. So they knew that their task was to take these clips out, and they did check, and I was there to check the patient was all right, and it was one of the hardest experiences.
Gosh.
So, what's nice about all these clips is they're fairly proud of the skin. They're the right size.
All right. Okay. So after I have these out, I'll be able to have a shower or something to cover it.
Yeah, well, we'll put a dressing over the top, really, just because you've got however many 40 pinpricks in your leg. So we'll put a dressing over the top, which leave there for a couple of days.
And then I can have a shower.
It's a waterproof dressing, so you can have a shower anyway.
Yeah, I was thinking about probably buying some cling film or something.
Yeah, I think you could do, but I think you'll be all right. The dressings, they're good dressings.
Ooh, that one was a bit sore.
Sorry.
It's alright, don't worry, it's fine.
There's a little bit of...
okay, that's all right.
That's 6 so far, is it?
It's a good job you're not a 40 person, isn't it, really?
Yeah, 10 to go.
I had one patient who got so fed up with her clips when I turned up she'd taken half them out herself.
Oh gosh, no. Brave.
Nuts, I think.
Nuts as well, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the hips. When someone has a hip replacement, there's a lot more, so...
Yeah.
Or sometimes when you have a knee that's been revised, it's been done for a second time.
Oh, right, okay.
Then they extend the... How's your back, Charlene?
Oh, it's okay.
So far, so good. I think we've got about 4 to go, haven't we?
We might add a few more.
A few more than that.
I'm more than halfway.
Oh, that's all right then.
Nearly done.
It's okay. I think as you get nearer the top, it starts to get a bit more,
Oh,
it's more fleshy, isn't it?
It is more fleshy. I never actually quite know whether, because the skin's tighter lower down, whether that's going to be more tender.
Yeah.
And different people's wounds are different levels of sort of either tenderness or numbness. So some people you can take the whole lot out and they wouldn't even know you've done it.
No.
Okay, chill. So where did you go diving?
Oh, that was in Lanzarote with my mum in 2019.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we went in a submarine, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, so it wasn't sub-aqua.
No, it was in the actual submarine itself, yeah.
Ooh.
It was good. Enjoyed it.
I'd find that more frightening.
Well, it was a bit difficult because I was starting to get, my knee was starting to hurt around about that time.
Sorry.
Ow.
Sorry.
Gosh, that was sore.
Sorry.
Oh dear, that was sore. Yeah, it was a
We've
bit
got
difficult getting down the stairs.
4
Yeah.
more.
4 more.
Are
Okay.
you happy here carrying
Sorry.
on?
Yeah, of course, yeah. I can't stop
Sorry.
halfway through. It's gotta
No,
get
you
done.
can't. But whether you want to have a
Yeah.
A
No, it's
little
fine.
A breather.
chill.
Yeah. So how big was the submarine?
It held about 40 people, I think.
So it's quite,
Yeah, so it's quite big. Yeah.
Any panic attacks?
No. It's just difficult getting down the ladder with my knee because it was starting to play up at that time.
Mhm.
And getting down that I made sure I got out last, so I wasn't holding anybody up.
Yeah.
Nearly there.
Very nearly there.
Just a bit, just there, it's scabbed over.
Yeah.
Oh, probably that's why it was so sore because it scabbed over
Yeah,
a bit.
because where I had to put the actual remover,
Yeah.
I'll come from the side now.
Okay.
I think it was pressing into the scab as well.
Yeah.
But we'll get there. Sorry.
Oh dear, it's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
There you go.
So what do you do for a living?
Nothing at the moment.
Okay,
I
what
was
will you-
doing some driving, but I'm just on their benefit at the moment.
Okay.
So, yeah. As soon as I can get my driving leg working again, I'll be back to driving hopefully.
So what were you driving?
Sorry. Nearly there.
Sorry, I haven't got your face in it.
Sorry.
It's
Or
okay.
do you want your face in
A little
it?
Sorry.
It's okay.
That one was
That one's
a
bleeding.
bit of blood.
Okay.
I'll come from the top, so I'll try and not. Last one, okay? Is that
This
okay?
one, yeah. Okay, yeah.
And I'll try and.
So what were you driving? Were you?
Oh, just any vehicles, vans, cars, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh gosh, I knew the last two would be the
You
sorest.
did, didn't you?
Oh, sorry. That's all done.
That's all
I'll
done,
give
is
you a clean because it's.
Okay.